What's up, students? I just wanted to talk to you guys about this elearningforkids.org website that I have come across. This website is mainly used to help you with your math and your science. It is from grades level from kindergarten to 6th grade. You can choose any grade level that you are comfortable with. If you are more comfortable working at a first grade level right now, then you can do whatever you need to do. If you want to go up another level to challenge yourself, you're more than welcome to do that too. This is a free website, so there's no cost, and you are able to use it at any time of the day to brush up on what you're learning or to brush up on prior knowledge. Or if you just want to start learning new things, that is up to you. And this website was made for parents and teachers. Teachers can use this website to help them with their lesson planning for what they want to cover next in their lessons, but they can also use this as a lesson by itself and just have the kids get on their computers or go to a computer lab, or if they are remote right now, you can just have them go onto this website and just do their work from there. This website was made free, so it is a very easy access. So I want to show you guys a few things that I have seen. So there is this math portal. I know there's music. Let's see if I can turn that down. So there is this math portal, and this math world, as you can see, shows everything. There is levels 1 through 8, and this is just on grade 1. So here, I'll show you. So 1 through 8, and then this little buoy thing right here, you can choose whatever grade level you want to. So like I said, it's kindergarten through 6th grade, so whatever age group. So let's just start at kindergarten, and then you'll see where it tells you to start, and then you can just hit start here. Okay, and then for the start here, there is measurement, count to 5, count to 10, shapes, more shapes, count backwards. So let's see, let's try count backwards. And then I'll tell you what it is. It's e-learning. And this little parrot guy will come up, and he's your friend throughout this. You can click on him if you need any help. And then you can click on any of these to complete. So let's just go to the first one. And then they will tell you what they're looking for. So please help me place the objects in the right from 1 to 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we just have to do from left to right to put them in numerical order. So let's drop 1. And then we'll drop 2. And then we'll drop 3. And then we'll drop a 4. And then we'll drop a 5. And then in each level, this little birdie at the bottom will tell you if you got it right or wrong. And then with each level, there are different phases in each one that you choose. So in this one, as you can see, there are, I just completed phase 1, and then now I'm going to do phase 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. And then so let's see. 1, 2, and you keep seeing him say like, that's right, or hooray. And 4. And now we're gonna go drop 5. And then little birdie's cheering you on, you know, great job. And then I will show you of what it's like for when you get one wrong. So let me just drop 1. And I know you guys know that 2 comes next, but let's drop 3 just so I can show you what happens. We drop 3, you can see this little birdie saying, you can do better, and it won't go. So then we'll go to 2, and then we'll go to 3. And then we'll do 4, and then we can do 5. Okay? And that's just all the way through that. And then on each thing, go back in. Mm-hmm. So on each of these little 4, you see these stars at top. And then the stars will be highlighted. You'll get 2 stars for if you complete it correctly with no errors. You'll get 1 star if you complete it with 0 errors. And then at the end of each level, you can get a certificate. So that sounds pretty fun. And then, so we did Australia. Let's go back to world. And then we'll go to, let's try level 5. And then you see like on different continents from like Australia, and then like now we're like in North America and everything. It's just like different types of like levels and activities that you can do. So this one was, I'm pretty sure I hit times, like clock and times. And then I'll show you another grade level. So let's see. We'll go back to world. I'll click this little buoy. We did just a kindergarten. Let's say you're feeling really confident and you really brushed up on everything you knew. So now let's go to grade 4. And then it's the same thing. It's just tougher now. So instead of counting, you're doing like position on a map, volume, 2D shapes, 4-digit numbers, instead of just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on your little sidebar, I don't know if you can see it now, but there's a sidebar, you can hit Science World. And in Science World, same thing, there's a little buoy out here, and it can tell you where you can start. And you can just follow this little trail. We'll just start here, we're still in grade 4. And then so, how do animals? So let's click on that. I'm really excited for you guys to try out this website. I think it seems like a really good fit. Oh, and look, and now you have a little turtle helping you, not a little birdie. So let's click on sorting. And once again, she will tell you what she's looking for, like humans, most animals, and even many plants, and either male or female. Males and females of the same species are a lot alike, but they also have some different features. This is what a female crab looks like, and this is what a male crab looks like. Uncle Tom has caught a lot of crab and would like to sort them into their respective coolers. Blue cooler for male crabs and red for female. Can you help me? Do you guys think you can help her? I believe you can. So which one would you say, male or female? I have to go with male. I would say female. What do you guys say? Maybe female? Okay. Female. And like I told you guys before, on the little like face sections, you'll see like the different like highlighted stars at the top. So like this. So if you complete a phase with you got nothing wrong, you got everything 100% right, you will get 2 stars. When you get just one answer wrong, you will get 1 star. But at the end of everything, you can get a certificate. So let's go back to world. And then say maybe that was a little challenging for you. You can go down. So you can start at 2nd grade. And then start here. And then like it's just like, you know, living like where you come from, environments. So just click on whatever one you feel comfortable with. Usually start at the top of the trail and work your way down. But I'm just trying to show you some examples of how it works. Let's do the first one. If it ever loads. Yellow turtle. There's a pond over there. Let's find out which animals and plants live there. Drag the right animals or plants to the pond and complete the sentences. Beavers live in the pond. They are, read this one. Check. Guys, I am running out of time to show you how this website works, but let me go back to maps, and then so you guys can go from level to level. I mean, you feel like you completed enough and you want a challenge, you can choose whatever grade you want, and then if you want to go back down to brush up on prior knowledge or anything else, you can go down. That is up to you. I recommend going wherever you feel comfortable and maybe where you're at now in your classroom. Start with that. Or go wherever your parents tell you to go where your teachers suggest. But if you feel like you need a challenge, then this website makes it easy for you to challenge. And then, yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can email me. My email is in my teacher website portfolio, and then or if you have any questions, you can ask your parents, and I bet that they will be more than willing to help you out as well. And in this website, you guys can also work together. You can work solo. Once again, it's just whatever the teacher suggests and whatever parents or whatever you feel comfortable with at the same time. So, yeah, thank you guys for taking this little website journey with me today, and I hope you guys have fun, because I know I did. I like learning. Okay, thanks guys. See you next time.